Hey everyone, great to see you again. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing free platform that gives you access to loads of AI tools at no cost. Ever heard of a tool where you can create stunning images in styles like GTA, comic, Pokemon, Disney, Pixar, pixel art, or even retro arcade? And that's not all. You can whip up a ton of awesome thumbnails too. This tool is amazing at generating images and even adding text in a variety of stylish ways. It's a total game changer for your creative projects. And trust me, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are tons more styles to explore, and it's all completely free. This video is a must-watch for all you current content creators and aspiring ones out there. And guess what? It also packs some really fun tools that everyone will enjoy, even if you're just starting out. So first, you need to go to AIEase.ai, then click on the AI Tools button to access all the AI tools. Let's start with the AI Image Generator. With AIEase's Image Generator, you get tons of amazing styles to bring your ideas to life. Want an art style image? Done. Cartoon style? Easy, you can even generate game style images, 2D and 3D logos, stunning tattoos, unique icons, stylish text in different fonts, and even cool stickers. Let's dive right in and try out the comic style by generating some epic scenes. I had ChatGPT create a short comic story, and now, I'll take its prompt and generate visuals for it. The process is super simple. Just paste the prompt, select the aspect ratio, and hit generate. And boom! Within seconds, you get a high-quality comic-style scene. Check this out, the details, the colors, and even the text placement are spot on. Here's another variation, and it looks just as awesome. Now, let's generate the second scene. Just paste the prompt and hit generate, and here we go! Another perfectly crafted scene. I've generated a few more, and as you can see, AIEase's Image Generator is a game changer for storytelling. It gives you high-quality results instantly, and guess what? It's completely free. Besides that, if you need a thumbnail for your video, you can generate it too. Let's say your video is about how to make money with AI. Just type in the kind of thumbnail you want, hit generate, and boom! In seconds, you'll have an eye-catching, professional-looking thumbnail, without any effort. Alright guys, now it's time to check out another awesome AI tool, the AI Hairstyle Changer. With this, you can instantly switch up hairstyles in any photo, whether it's yours or someone else's. Let's see how it works. Here's how easy it is to change your hairstyle with AI. Upload your photo. Choose a hairstyle. There are tons of options for both men and women. First, we're trying the buzz cut, and it looks super clean. Next, let's go for the man bun, and as you can see, it's perfectly placed. Lastly, let's check out dreadlocks, and wow, it looks amazing. This is a fun and easy way to experiment with different hairstyles or even prank your friends. Alright guys, up next is the AI Replacer tool, an absolute game changer for photo editing. With this, you can change your outfit in just a few clicks, remove unwanted objects like magic, add new elements to your photos effortlessly. Let's test it out and see how well it works. First, upload your image and choose between auto mode or manual mode. In auto mode, just tell the AI what you want to remove or replace. I'll type suit in the first box. Next, type what you want instead. I'll go with red t-shirt. Now, hit generate, and boom! My suit instantly transforms into a red t-shirt. Alright, let's talk about manual mode, where you get full control over your edits. First, use the brush to highlight the object you want to replace or remove. I'll quickly mark the suit here. Next, in the prompt box, I'll type blue t-shirt and click generate. Just like that, my suit is gone, and I'm now wearing a blue t-shirt. But wait, there's more. Want to remove an object completely? Just highlight it, type remove, and click generate. Poof! It disappears like magic. Or maybe you want to swap an object? No problem. Just mark it, type the new object's name, like I'll type train, and click generate. The truck is now a train. Alright, next up, let's test out the AI Face Swapper. With the AI Face Swapper, you can swap faces effortlessly, whether it's just one face or multiple faces in a single image. Simply upload your image, then select the face you want to swap. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds you'll get a perfectly swapped face. It's that easy. Want to swap multiple faces at once? Just head over to the multiple faces option. Upload your image, select the new faces, hit generate, and watch as all the faces transform in seconds. Super easy and fun. AIEase isn't just about face swaps. It's packed with powerful tools. You can remove watermarks, enhance old and blurry images, restore low-quality photos, and even upscale them for a sharper look. Want more? You can blur or sharpen backgrounds, remove them completely, or extend images effortlessly with the AI extender. And the best part? It's 100% free and works on both your phone and desktop. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.